Argentine tango. William Levy and his partner Cheryl Burke.
Just like those guys, then yours. Baby, can't you see? These clothes are fitting on me. The heat coming from this beat. I'm about to blow. I don't think you know. I'm telling you to loosen up. My body's moving, but you keep running. Say what you can do to me. I'm telling you to but you keep running. Say what you can do to me. But I see nothing.
I'm gathering myself. If that's okay with you. I'm gathering That was ridiculously amazing. You are so convincing. All I could think of was the Latin dancing James Bond.
There you go. Yeah. I can only say what I saw. I saw mood, I saw passion, I saw sensuality and colour. Well done. Intensity, slick, sexy, cluelicious.
All right. You might take the lead based on all that. Head on up there to the skybox. 1 point would make all the difference. Still time for you to vote for the pro dancers you want to see in our Macy's Designer Dance performance and submit a costume design. Go to abc.com for details. Tomorrow night, our Macy's Stars and Dance is a celebration of Latin dances featuring our special guest, the amazing percussionist Sheila E. Don't miss it at 9, 8 Central.
Well, if William and I can hear each other in the ballroom, we're going to talk for a minute. The crowd went crazy once again for you. Not that anyone noticed tonight, but I know you have a hurt ankle and you missed rehearsal yesterday, and today you had an MRI. What did the doctor say?
He said my ligament was ripped off, but you need to rest. But I said to him that today's no resting. No resting today.
I think you made a lot of women happy about that. All right, let's get your scores. Good job, you guys.
The judges have their scores. Carrie Ann Inaba. Len Goodman. 9. Bruno Tonga. 10.
That's 29 out of 30. How happy are you guys right now?
Oh.
How happy are you guys right now?
Oh, man, I'm good.
Unbelievable. I'm so proud of you, baby. You couldn't have done it. Enjoy your moment, you guys. Last week we saw what happened when another one of our ballroom favorites didn't get enough of your votes to stay in the competition. If you want to make sure that William and Cheryl come back to dance again and again and again, then you have to vote for them tonight. Good job, guys. Tom?
All right.